let's clear something up because this is one of the biggest lies people believe about waxing. Waxing isn't painful because waxing is bad. It's painful because people wait too long. When you go months between appointments, the hair has more time to thicken. The roots are stronger and the skin isn't used to the process anymore. That's where the discomfort comes from, not the wax itself. Then people say, see, that's why I don't wax. But what they're really reacting to is starting over. The clients who come consistently don't have the same experience. Their appointments are faster, the hair release is easier, the skin responds better, and yes, it hurts less. This is why waxing feels terrible for some people and totally manageable for others. It's not luck, it's timing. Avoiding waxing doesn't make it easier later, it does the opposite. It turns a simple maintenance appointment into a reset. So if you've been putting it off because of pain, I want you to look at the services linked below. The goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. Once you stop starting over, everything changes.